Pavel Durov's revelations about his substantial Bitcoin holdings ignite speculation across the cryptosphere. With millions reportedly parked in Bitcoin and fiat for a decade, Durov's stance on financial freedom resonates with many. Stay tuned as the crypto community awaits further insights into Durov's investment strategy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So let's start off with the correlation between Bitcoin and gold continues to strengthen, as this is supported by the recent data of the long-term trends, which displays a one-year rolling correlation coefficient of 0.9742. The numbers translate to a very high positive correlation between the world's oldest hedge and its digital alternative, due to the reason that a score of +1 already indicates a perfect positive correlation for the assets in question. The next Bitcoin halving is here in 57 hours. So looking at it right now, and basically for me it was like 2 hours ago when I saw this post, so basically that's 55 hours for me already, and until you see this video it's probably like 52, 53 hours left, and when most likely some of you watching way later than it is uploaded, it is probably like 50 hours, 45 hours, and maybe even 40 hours already for you. Bitcoin halving is getting closer and closer. Today my girlfriend said she no longer wants to look at the fiat value of Bitcoin because it's not stable. She now prefers to view in sats. She prefers to use Bitcoin as her unit of account. She prefers stable money that can't be debased or taken away from her. So proud. An old Bitcoin miner wallet from 2010 just moved 50 Bitcoin to Coinbase. The owner of the wallet hodled all the way from 20 cents to $66,000. There are strong rumors that he is buying Ethereum with the profits. Next up, historical data shows Bitcoin's resilience post-halving with significant long-term gains despite the short-term price movements. Also, Bitcoin Fear Grid Index, as we could see this at 67 right now, and it's grid point right now. Daily crypto news. Telegram CEO Pavel Durov revealed that he holds hundreds of millions of dollars in fiat currency and Bitcoin. Korean won becomes world's most traded fiat for crypto traders in Q1. Scroll introduces a Bernoulli upgrade that will enable blobs. Angles USDA now accessible to all. Ton introduces Memelandia. Drift announces Drift governance token and 100 million Drift airdrop. Merlin chain Merl opened airdrop claim. BitGet list Omni network. Today token unlocks. AXS 155 million, Ape 18 million, Graph is at 18 million. On-chain moves. Frantech multi-sig wallet deposited 4,424 Ethereum into Coinbase. Tether Treasury transferred 100 million USDT to Bitfinex. Render moved 2.5 million Render, $20 million on the new wallet. Then part of them is 165 million, which is $13.4 million, were deposited to Binance. Ongoing raffles: CryptoRank Explorer 0 1000 USDT raffle, Next Gem AI launch raffle $1,000 worth of Gem AI. So these are the crypto news for today. Next up, what do we have here? All of the Bitcoin downside liquidity has been taken out, only upside liquidity left. Bitcoin stalls at support, eyes fixed on halving. Bitcoin continues to find support around $63,000, but bulls haven't been able to break through. This week might see more sideways action as investors wait for the upcoming Bitcoin halving event. Will the halving ignite a price surge? Historically, halving events have preceded significant price increases for Bitcoin. However, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Some analysts predict continued consolidation or even a pullback before a potential rally. One thing's for sure, volatility is likely. Bitcoin withdrawals from exchanges reached their highest level since January 2023, indicating a significant accumulation phase. Also, recent metrics show a cooled-off market paused a 10% decline last week, suggesting potential for a price increase, as see our analyst insights. Crypto on-chain reports that a surge in Bitcoin withdrawals could be preparation for the upcoming halving. This pattern is typically associated with increased holdings in anticipation of future price rises. The Burak has massively said that open interest on derivatives exchanges has decreased from $18 billion to $14.2 billion, showing a reduction in leverage trading. This easing follows a period of high trading activity and could imply a temporary market stabilization. Bitcoin Lupin notes Bitcoin has entered the support zone in the short-term holder spend output profit ratio, suggesting a buying opportunity as a short-term holders begin to sell off. This phase has historically preceded rises in price. Stay aware of the long-term and short-term Bitcoin holders with our Bitcoin holding behavior dashboard. So that's the updates on the charts for today. Next up, Telegram CEO says, I've had a few $100 million in bank accounts or in Bitcoin since 10 years ago. My number one priority in life is my freedom, and that's the reality that everyone should follow. So let's talk more about it. So Telegram founder holds millions in Bitcoin and fiat, and here is why. Telegram CEO Pavel Durov's recent remarks on his Bitcoin and fiat holdings, evaluated to be in millions, has sparked a sense of bustle across the global crypto realm. In a recent interview, the Telegram CEO stated, I've had a few $100 million in my bank account or in Bitcoin since 10 years ago, and I haven't moved them. This reverberated craze among the crypto market traders and investors globally, stirring a whirlpool of speculation surrounding the motive behind Durov's colossal holdings. Durov justifies unmoved holdings. In an interview with the Tucker Carlson, the Telegram CEO stated that freedom remains Durov's top priority, and only investments that provide him with that sense of freedom are the millions of dollars in his bank accounts and in Bitcoin. To this, Durov added that buying real estate might bind someone to geographical locations, whereas purchasing a jet may restrict one's time as it offers a lot of distractions, aligning with which the CEO avoids such investments, zeroing in only on Bitcoin and fiat. Durov stated his holdings helped him realize the true essence of freedom, a definition that may be in a contrast with many. Nonetheless, despite the CEO's monk-like thinking, his platform, on the other hand, appears to be proliferating its global user base. Notably, the Telegram user base recently neared the $1 billion mark, marking a monumental achievement for the social messaging app. Telegram is a Dubai-based entity founded by the Russian entrepreneur Pavel Durov following the shutting down of his social media platform VK. Telegram user base nears 1 billion, brief report. Durov recently stated that Telegram is potentially poised to cross the 1 billion active monthly users mark within a year, primarily attributing its growth to a forest fire. Further, Durov, boasting an estimated fortune of $15.5 billion per Forbes, stated that certain governments attempted to exert influence on him, pushing him to sell the app. However, he emphasized that the app, now boasting 900 million active users, should maintain its stance as a neutral platform and refrain from engaging in geopolitics. This, coupled with the above-mentioned Bitcoin and fiat holding chronicles, magnetized significant attention to Telegram and its founder Pavel Durov, with market participants speculating over the company's future optimistically. Also, Norway regulators clamped down on crypto mining via the new law. So regulators in Norway are looking to clamp down on cryptocurrency mining via the new law for data centers operating in the nation. And according to the report from local media, the new framework will mandate that data centers register officially and provide information about those involved, like owners and leaders, and the type of services they offer. The legislation will be the first of its kind, making Norway the first European nation to regulate the data center industry. And the purpose is to regulate the industry in such a way that we can close the door on the projects we do not want, said Digitalization Minister Karian Tung. That's all the information we got for today's video, so if you're interested in more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.